In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Assassin's Creed Odyssey. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this character swap mod. Select the manual download option. And to install this mod, Forger Patch Manager is required. So I'm gonna download that as well. Select the manual download option. Once download done, select this folder icon. Right-click on the Forger utility and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Drag and drop the extracted folder to Documents. Open Documents and open the Forger utility. Open the Forger.exe. Select the Locate option and navigate to the Game folder. Select the Game.exe and select Open option. Once you've done this, right-click on the game and select Open File Location. Forger Patches folder will be created in our game folder. Right-click on the mod we downloaded and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Drag and drop this .forger2 file inside this Forger Patches folder. Once you done this, go back to Documents, close this Forger and open the Forger.exe. I'm going to swap the character to play as Socrates. So this is gonna swap the Alexos to Socrates. Once you're done, check the character you like. Same way, whatever mod you install, check the box to enable the mod. If something goes wrong and the game doesn't launch, select this reset all and select the yes option to remove all mods. We have successfully installed the mod and I show you guys the results in game. And as you can see, the character has successfully swapped. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.